In this simple and quick video, I'll show you how to exchange Hamster Kombat. So for this case, I'll tap on play and then I'll open up my Hamster Kombat account right away. So you have to be patient until it's done loading up. If it doesn't load up, just tap on play once again and then just wait for it to load up. Okay, so sometimes it may slow down because of the number of people that are using it at the same time, but you just need to repeat the same procedure over and over again. As you can see, this is my Hamster Kombat. So if you want to exchange my Hamster Kombat, for now you can't exchange it because the coin isn't yet listed. But according to some sources, it's expected to be listed on exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and even more exchanges. As you can see, first one is by Binance, next one is Bybit, OKX, BingX, HTX, and many more. So for this case, if you're wise, you can come and then tap on Binance and make Binance your own exchange. Why? Because Binance is the most trusted exchange around. Okay, so when you tap on Binance over here, your account will be linked to your Binance account, and when the coin is launched and goes live, for example on Binance, you'll be able to withdraw your coins from Binance right away, and you'll be able to exchange them into fiat or currency. So fiat means currency, guys, and that's it. Okay, so guys, if you found this information helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.